We're going to start this puppy up. Clear, prop.
And welcome back to Tip of the Week. This week we're going to keep the tip real short so you can spend more time building and less time watching videos. One of the greatest values I find in the aviation department of Harbor Freight is their furniture moving dollies. This one pictured here for less than $8. I find the quality is more than adequate for the use we have in mind. One reason I like this model is that its size is just right for working with the wheels of many of our experimental aircrafts. Within a few moments you can have one under each of your wheels. So what's the big deal about having your home built sitting on a set of furniture dollies? Being able to get those large items like that not quite finished fuselage out of the way means more people are going to be happy when they need your space. I bet you could even borrow hangar space from a friend if you demonstrated a means to quickly and easily reposition at any given moment. And if your project is not on wheels yet, this may be even a better opportunity to create more space by moving something that normally would be difficult to move. And if your project is not even out of the box yet, use a couple of dollies to get that thing out of the way and make more room for others. And there you have it, an $8 solution to getting more space in your hangar. You might surprise your hangar mate with a stack of these dollies placed next to his project. If he doesn't get the idea that you'd really want him to move his stuff out of the way, I don't know what would work. Best that we just get back to building.